You like my lips? Hello, Boss TV. Your nice dress like. Yes. Here's my. Hello from Oklahoma. Hello, Chiril Tick. Hi, Chiril. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting my live. Chiril Tick. Like my body. Like then, thank you, Swarrock. Namaste. Hi, Pickport. No. I don't know. For like them from Bangladesh. Thank you, Sakar. Pagdusay. Hello, Swarrock. Hi, Boss TV. Thank you, guys. And look at my makeup. So cute look. Thank you. Thank you to my 100 viewers. Thank you so much. What you like? Hi po, gandang host. Thank you, Boss TV. Taga saan ka ba? You're looking like, speak my name. Hello, Nadia Stay. Nadia Stay? Shout out, said, Sabe. Hi. I like your lips, nice. Hmm? Romblon po. Oy, shout out from Romblon. Kumusta kayo, taga Romblon? Oh, it's bad. No best, doggy. It's not good. Very super chubby. Hello, Martin Hubertus. Hello. Hi, Martin. Hello. One. Roses are red. Share live, guys. Hi, Ranchit. Sunny. Your hair super very. Here, this one. This one. Yep. Oh, this sounds like. Hello, Box. I have my dimple. Oh. Go to Patreon if you want open bra. Not here. Not here. Hi, Tero Eski. How white hello from Paris. Hi, guys. You come here on October. Long time to hear from you. About 1 week. How was you going to Philippines? From Paris. Hello, Basti. Very cute. Antipus. Marasul Agosan.